In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and monitor revenue goals in HubSpot, step by step, in a way that's easy for beginners to understand. First of all, log into your HubSpot account and go to the Reporting section. From here, you can access dashboards and reports, which are used to track performance and goals. Next, create a new dashboard. HubSpot offers different dashboard templates, so choose one that fits your needs. After selecting a template, decide who should have access to this dashboard and then create it. Once the dashboard is ready, open it to start tracking your progress. Now, you can customize your dashboard by adding filters or advanced filters. If you already have data in your account, HubSpot will display real-time progress toward your revenue goals. This helps you quickly see how close you are to reaching your targets. After that, head over to the Reports section. Here, you can create deal-based reports that connect directly to your revenue goals. These reports make it easier to understand which deals are contributing to your results. You can also manage and share your dashboard. Use the Share option to copy the dashboard link or email it to your team. If you hover over contributor names in the Goals dashboard, you can view more details and edit goals when needed. And that's how you create and monitor revenue goals in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.